Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna take a look at Battlefield 6 Scar 1. The Scar L is listed among the assault rifles in a number of weapon link lists for Battlefield 6. It is expected to be part of the multiplayer playtest's arsenal, though not necessarily all stats have been revealed. The leak suggests that there will be deep weapon customization in BF6, or so Scar L presumably will have attachments and turning points. So exact damage numbers, recoil, rate of fire, bullet velocity or attachments for Scar L in BF6 haven't been officially detailed in reliable sources as of the leaks available. Stats like kill times, damage fall-off, or how it compares with the RS is in BF6 range, recoil control, etc. are still speculative. So, using past Battlefield weapons plus what's typical for Scar L in various games, here are educated guesses. You have combat roll, fire rate, attachments, recoil and damage fall-off or effective rage. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.